Hi guys, welcome to Loft TV. This is Paul and I'm about to show you how to create a new deal in Loft from scratch. So there are several ways to create a deal in Loft. If you're using one of the integration softwares, you'll go down the left hand menu and you will select integration and then you'll select your various softwares. But I'm going to show you today how to enter a deal in Loft from scratch by hitting the Add New Deal button on the left hand side. So all you do is select Add New Deal and it will open up the Create a New Deal page. You can then go in and enter the name of your primary agent, so ours is Margaret on the deal. The office that Margaret is assigned to will automatically populate. So for Margaret Banks, our agent, she is associated to the main Summers and Howell Realty office. You may have several office locations, so you can select whichever office that is. If you have assigned the correct office to the agent's profile to begin with, then this will auto-populate, which is what we want. Then the next option is Assign To, so you can assign the deal to any of your office administrators. You can then go ahead and select the side of the deal, list, sell or double end. You have to attach at least one document to create a deal in Loft. So this is where you can go in and upload documents from your computer for this deal. So any deal documents you have stored, go ahead and upload them into the deal at this stage. Then you can select the deal type. So we have several options: standard, project, new construction, property management, referral or lease. So most of the time you'll be looking at a standard type deal. And then the deal subtype, there are various different options: unknown, single family home, condo, agricultural, industrial land, multi-family office and retail. So lots of different options there, but I'm going to go ahead and select single family home, as I'd imagine that will be the most common one. There are then a couple of options here. This is an offer and exclusive non-MLS. So what these options mean are, if there are multiple offers on this property, then you can go ahead and select this box. But the likelihood is by the time you get to the point where you create a deal in Loft, then it will have gone past that stage. So it will likely be a deal that's under contract. So it's very rare that you will see this box selected. Then we've got exclusive non-MLS, which is pretty self-explanatory. If there isn't an MLS number, you will select this box. Most of the time you will have an MLS number, which you can go ahead and enter in the field below. You're then going to select the property type, very clear, residential or commercial. I'm going to say residential. Now at this point, be careful, because many of our users, especially those new to the system, will miss this little blue link down at the bottom. But you have to open this link up to enter the property details. So it's important that you do that, otherwise you'll create a deal that just has a reference number rather than the actual property address, and it will be harder to locate that in the system later on down the line. So our Canadian clients sometimes enter the legal description, the lot, block, plan, etc. But most of our clients will come straight to address line 2, or address line 1, sorry. They'll go in and say 456 Davenport. Let's say this is the one we are dealing with, Davenport Avenue. We're going to say it's in Vancouver. I'll use the city that I am located in. State, province, British Columbia. Country, Canada, and we'll pop a postal code in there as well. And that's it. So you've entered the information, and down at the bottom right there's a save button. If I go ahead and click on the save button, we're now going to generate a deal. This is the system creating a deal. So you can see on the left hand purple menu below the deals option, we've now got a sub deal option with a $sign. There's a unique reference, which is your deal reference. So it's important that you know these references. The first part of the reference is your brokerage ID, then we've got the year, and then you've got the number of the deal. So this is the 8th deal in this brokerage in 2020. So then you'll see below that option there are various different sub deal options: details, people, commissions, and so on, all the way down to the payout of commission, where we're heading for. We want to try and get to the payout of commission so we can actually pay this deal out. So you've done the basic steps there. You've created a deal in Loft. look out for our other videos on Loft TV, which show you how to go through all of these various sub-deal menus on the left hand side to pay out a deal. So thanks for watching. That's how to create a deal in Loft.